My name is Ken Davis. I am on the 2016 One Africa for Africans tour. Been through Accra, we went to Volta region and whole, and went to Elmina, and we've also been up in, where's the other place?
Kumasi.
Kumasi, yeah. So it's been a great trip. Really had a lot of fun, learned a lot, and really enjoy and love the people that are here. Our accommodation has been fantastic. The food is great.
Yeah.
I just think it's an experience that you should not pass up, because it is just basically it's a reaffirming tour to see people of color on all aspects of life. You see the judges, the chiefs or kings, and all different levels of people doing so many different things. And you see a hardworking people doing what they need to just get through. So it's highly recommended.
So what are you gonna tell your viewers out there? Are you gonna encourage them to come for a trip next year?
Oh, most definitely, because this is, I mean, it's just it is a fantastic, life-changing experience, because you get to see Africa as it is now, not some television show, not some Tarzan, Jungle Book kind of thing. It's actually the real deal. This is something that is happening right now. It's not something made up or an illusion or something else like that. So I think it's something that you need to see in order to get your life in check. You gotta realize what's important. You gotta reach out to people and make a difference in not just your own life, but other people's lives too. Because we get the chance in this trip to go to a number of orphanages and to give some donations. And you get to see that it does make a difference in someone's life. You do see that people are striving for an education, that they are trying to better themselves and get a better life for themselves. So it's all around a great thing to do.
All right. So how many dungeons did you make yesterday?
I only did one, because that was
So how was the experience?
That was an experience because you might have seen Roots, where they gave you a brief glimpse and you actually got more of it from the book. But to walk through the actual dungeon, you get to see the conditions we were in at that time, and the kind of like inhumanity of our situation. Because you find a church right on top of this. There were two churches actually in the one castle I went to. One for the Portuguese and one was for the Dutch. And so they were holding services, and while people were dying below them. And it's like you gotta stand back and question what people are willing to do and where people can go, especially when they forget what has happened and what's been done in the past.
Oh, so what you've seen and heard so far is totally different from what you're seeing here in Africa.
Well, it's like you get a vision when you watch TV. You get a vision when you watch a movie, because it oftentimes will glamorize or give you a false sense of hilarity or whatever. But when you see people just basically dealing with a heat, humidity, the struggle, the overall life, you get a more real thing, because like you're standing in it, you walk for a few minutes down a roadway and you can't deal with it. But you're walking next to people who woke up to it, walk throughout the entire day, go to sleep to it, and get back up and do it all over again. It's a totally different experience.
All right. Thank you, family. So your advice for the viewers is they should come and have a look for yourself.
I definitely say it is a place to come.
All right.
It is a place. It's something you really should do at least once in your life, and you never know, you might be moving.